Sorry.
Everybody's like, what are you all watching? You should know him, we'll probably take his trousers off.
Is it one firework?
It's like check no one's watching though.
Run.
As a taxi pulls up. Doing it on somebody.
Yeah, they're going to stand right in the middle of the covered road. All the cars are coming.
Woo!
Oh, you should know better.
Not close to the airport.
That guy's a crackpot.
He's not wide up right.
Hey! You might have to land on your car, would you?
Followed by blue flashing lights.
There's a mad bloke in the middle of the road there setting fireworks.
That's Uncle Gareth for you. Can you see it?
I can see
He's
it.
off his tits, isn't he?
Bloody country road.
You gotta prove who put it there. I lit it.
Yeah, I got that on video. Unless the police ask, then I haven't got anything.
Well, we never set it up, we just tried to try and put it out.
Was that it?
Oh, good though.
Weren't it, really?
I wonder how much I wear.
You know what went on for that? Yeah, should have put it for the speed. You're going to go and get it, or just leave it there, won't you?
Yeah.
You don't bring the evidence in, you just leave it. That's better, I'll put this on.